It's your boy.
I can't damn shit dealing with 5-0.
It's your boy.
It's your boy Prince Brian T back at it with another video.
It's your boy Prince YT, aka man. Bro, he just busted. It's your boy Prince YT, man, aka soon to be king, man. Put a crown on it, man.
Yes, sir.
Hey, y'all know it's your boy Prince YT, man. We on Walmart right now. We finna try to do
Oh, fuck.
Safety Hammer. We got security guard already. Look, hey, I think we gonna restart. So, hey, look, it's your boy Prince YT, man. Soon to be king, aka man. Put a crown on it, man. Hey, get behind my dude. So look, y'all know. Hey, auntie. What's up? You doing church things right now. I was just saying today. Hey, man, don't touch, man. You boy, don't go, okay? They like looking at you. This stuff. Man, hey, bro, move, man. I'm talking about auntie, man.
I gotta get you a tour car, man.
You trying to get that number?
Hey, Marvin, why you playing? Hey, Marvin, why you playing? Oh, God. Hey, man, you trying to get kicked out of Walmart? Y'all know what the fuck going on, man.
I don't want to hit you. You heard me. You be hurting me.
Kiss. You know what I'm saying? We with the game right now, man, for real. They fucked up my whole intro. Y'all know the vibes, man. You know what I'm saying? Got Harmony the big. Go follow her. Harmony Lachey. Ain't that shit you do now?
No, nigga. Life with homers.
Follow forehead. Go. Stop that bitch. Oh no, I don't want to get put out, man. No, I don't want to get put out. Hey, put the balls back. We don't need to get put. My daddy owned that Walmart. Y'all trying to embarrass him? No. Huh? Jalen Jiggy? Yeah. Man, he just came on the intercom, but we just got here, bro. They told us all security scan the whole Walmart. So we don't know. We might go to Sutter Boulevard. I don't know. I'm trying.
I can't damn shit dealing with 5-0.
They called the fucking police, man. Alright, get in though. Let him in. Oh, we got to go.
Hey, I can't have shit. I record, bro. You drive.
Damn. Y'all know how to get that on that? Hey, they got this. So shit.
Shit, just go around it, brother. Go out that way.
Oh God. Oh shit. They got it blocked. Oh, but where that go, we going another way.
Call the police right there, bro.
Hey, fuck that, man. We got enough, man.
My mom and my sis had to kick my own blood out. They must have forgot I was a crip. Scoop. I'm finna get disrespect.
Y'all know you boy Prince YT, y'all big C. Y'all mean nothing. Y'all know you boy Prince YT, man. You know what I'm saying? We gotta do a new.
Damn, my clothes got wet.
You wanna do what? You wanna do what?
Nothing, bro. Nothing. But you know you boy Prince YT, man, cause I'm finna kiss him. So y'all know what's going on. We play too bad, but look, we got kicked out of Walmart. Police is on our ass. You know what I'm saying? So look, y'all know the fuck type time there. I don't know if we can get a thumbnail from you. You good, cuz?
He with that gay shit too.
Fly high like a jet, can't lie, man. We at Academy right now. We going somewhere else, you know. So what the fuck going on, man? Whole lot of games before we go.
Nah, he trying to step on something else.
Yeah.
That nigga
That new shit, man. Yeah, that's for your new music video? Yeah. Hey, what's your SoundCloud, cuz?
SoundCloud? What's that SoundCloud?
What's your YouTube name?
YouTube, Energy Easy 2 times.
Energy. What the?
This nigga.
I need everybody to come to Sports Academy, man. Hey, y'all ready?
Nigga, what the
Let's put on the
fuck?
pads, man. Let's put on the pads, man.
Football pads. Oh, hell no.
Bro, you gotta take the heels off first.
Dumbass.
And that's a baseball hat, man. It's a baseball. It's not a football hat. Lay down over there. They don't have to jump. Let's get it.
down struggling a little bit.
This is a Golden Beast production.
Y'all are cheeky.
I thought so. I win everything I do.
Yeah, Harmony and Lachey hula hoop, man.
Nah, y'all gonna see my Rosie. Y'all gonna enjoy.
You gonna lose anyway. What's up?
Hold on, let me
I win
take this
everything
song,
I do.
nigga.
Yo, them titties gonna fall to the ground.
I got you. Oh snap! It's getting real.
Okay.
Nah, why you put me on that song with my Duke in the camera?
Very intense.
Hold on, cause my hair.
I got some 1 subscribers.
You got wet.
Nah.
You gonna try to hit my thing?
Ready, set, go.
Man, you cheat.
My hair gonna mess it up.
Go.
Hold my hair, sis.
Hold her ass.
I don't know how you gonna do that.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna lose.
I got you, girl. I got
I'm gonna.
Go. Intense. Oh my God.
So you see how fun it is.
Nah, I need some.
I'm a country boy. I know my
Oh my goodness.
Nigga don't need no scope. And we finna get kicked out already. That lady still watching her.
Why is she watching us?
I don't know.
Oh snap! There you go.
It's my first time getting put out of shit.
I don't got no insurance.
You laugh like she funny. Your shit ain't funny.
Hey, you want me to took my check it off?
What?
Y'all ain't going nowhere. Light that shit up. Oh shit!
No, hell no.
But what the hell? Hey, hold up. Oh!
Oh, fuck no. Hell no. Go around the other way.
Oh shit, boy. You gonna get my shoe there? Hey, bro.
Yeah.
Hey, don't pull that hoe.
it, bro.
No, bro. Come on, bro. All
Ready?
right.
3.
All right. I'm on mama. All right.
You can't get shit like this legit.
I got murder on my mind.
Oh, that be right, nigga.
Crazy motherfuckers. You shouldn't have bought this paintball gun.
Bro, that nigga.
Man, you
Yo,
have
nigga, why you driving so slow?
This nigga got a terrible ass aim.
I wasn't trying to, I just want to scare some shit.
Huh?
We still
Oh.
we finna leave.
Fuck, nigga, fuck. Oh, shit.
Where you, bro?
Oh, shit.
I hate that business.
Hell yeah. This nigga talking about. Fuck, nigga, hang that bitch out the window, nigga.
I don't know.
Hey, yo, wow.
Yeah, sir. I'm on the game shit.
Yes, sir, nigga, hold on. Go. Baby.
Why the fuck that bitch?
Oh, shit. I ain't nothing. What's going on YouTube, man? You know what I'm saying? This is like the 3rd day, 4th day after this video because I got kicked out. So I feel like it's still a good video and it's still good content enough that I don't want to throw away. So I'm still posting the video, but leave a like and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Comment with a video you want to see next. Jet is gone, you know what I'm saying? But you already know your dog Marvin here, little man here, Donald, Quiz in college. It's kind of complicated right now. I just started school. I'm finna go to school in a couple minutes. But I started college and you know what I'm saying? Quiz started college, so but it's not gonna interfere because I don't have class for like 3 hours. I don't have class for like 3 hours. I mean 3 hours, you know what I'm saying? I don't got class for 3 hours. And you know, I got time. I got time on time to still do videos with y'all. All I got, you know what I'm saying? I gotta do like assignments and shit sometimes, but you know what I'm saying? I love y'all boys, man. College, like public interview coming soon. I'm gonna let school get chatted. Know me a little bit first, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be right. I'm gonna let school get chatted. Know me for a little bit, but public interviews, you know what type of public interviews y'all boys want? You must start college. I'll pull up on ASU. I'll pull up on y'all niggas college. I'll pull up at y'all niggas college, man. So y'all niggas know what's up, man. Leave a like and subscribe, man. I love y'all. Appreciate y'all boys. Give me 1.5K. I got a special giveaway for my 1.5 thousand subscribers. My 1.5K subscriber. I got a giveaway for you. It's $10. And let me know who you are. Comment, you know what I'm saying? Let me know who you are.
comment, man, you know what I'm saying? I love y'all boys, man. Subscribe to the gang, man. I appreciate all y'all boys, man. But we doing another, you know, scratch that. I'll make it fair for everybody. We doing a giveaway, alright? We doing a giveaway. It's gonna be, I wanna make it fair for everyone, you know what I'm saying? Cause I ain't do a giveaway yet on the channel. Well, I did a couple, but I ain't do like, you know what I'm saying? So, I'm gonna let y'all know the details, so check the description for the details about the giveaway. But I love y'all boys, man, you know what I'm saying? Subscribe to the gang. I appreciate y'all boys, man. But public interviews, anything y'all want me to do, comment down below right now, and I will do it. Any video that y'all want to see, anything that'll help me become a better YouTuber, you know what I'm saying? Anything that'll make you want to watch me. If you don't like watching me, let me know. Leave a dislike and tell me what I gotta do, what content you want to see. You know what I'm saying? If you don't like it because I'm black, I'm gonna go bleach my skin. I'm just gonna beat your ass. But yeah, man, I love y'all boys, man. Subscribe to the gang. Y'all know what the fuck going on, man. A whole lot of gang shit, you know what I'm saying? Hey. I love y'all boys, man, for real. So yeah, we out, man. Just come in with video y'all want to see. The gang, we still got a gang, you know what I'm saying? So just come in with video y'all want to see. I love y'all boys, man. Subscribe if y'all new. And we out, bitch.